Now, does your 3DS have this issue? You can see the joystick is going haywire. This is actually not the touchscreen, the joystick. I'll show you how to replace the entire module, and also show you how to replace this thumbstick, which, let's be honest, you're all here for. So, let's begin. Now, to remove the thumbstick, I think it's an extremely easy repair. Just grab a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew these 2 screws. Now, after unscrewing these 2 screws, grab a pry tool, pop this out, and remove any battery, stylus, or SD card you have. And remove these 2 hidden screw covers as well. Now, remove these 8 screws. Now, after removing these 8 screws, lift the front part up, and then we're going to need to free this headphone jack area. Just pop it out, and remove it, and fold this up like a Minecraft chest. Like this. And quickly remove the L and R cables. Now, as you can see, the joystick over here, it seems to be unplugged, but we need to remove it. What you're going to do is you're going to pop this out. And now to remove the thumbstick. Now, we can replace this, but to remove the thumbstick, open your 3DS like this. So there's 2 rings over here. We need to remove the first ring, and the second ring is actually, think of it like a keychain. So, you see this gap over here, you're going to see like a small edge in that one. So, align it together. There we go. Now, to remove this thumbstick, just press it down from the 2 thieves and remove it. Just like that. And we remove this pretty scratched up joystick. Now, I know a lot of you have some sweaty gameplay on this thumbstick, so it can get pretty worn, so I think it's a pretty good idea to replace it nowadays. And also, I have a bunch of color options. So the cool thing is, there's also a bunch of color options for thumbsticks that are being sold. I think I'll replace it with a white one, but if you think I should have done another one, put them in the comments. Now, to replace it, it's pretty easy. Go from the outside and then go like this. It's so easy. And then first we're gonna put this first one we took out. Just put it down and think of it like a keychain. Just put the teeth in. Okay, once you got it in like this, start turning it around. And boom, that's done. And then what you're gonna do next is grab your new module, or if you're replacing the old module, just fold this connector up and put it in the connector. Now what you're gonna do is grab the other ring and put it on here, and make sure it's in the middle like this. And keep it straight, and you can see you're going to align this gap with this one, so gently fold this on top of it, just like that, and make sure it goes all the way in, and go ahead and now test it. As you can see, it didn't go in like this, you see, so we're gonna have to do it again. Fold it on top. There we go, I got it. And now put back the edge screws, back at it, close the back plate. And there we go, you just made your thumbstick brand new. And if you enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing. In the next episode, I'll show you how to fix these unresponsive buttons. Let's go.